When it's all said and done, will you have done more or said more? What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SB and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. See, the world is full of people, the quote-unquote talkers. They will tell you how to do things. They will tell you exactly what you should do, what you shouldn't do, when you should have done it, how they would do it. But they never actually get up to doing it. Do you mean? They never ever get up and do anything. They never get up and do anything. They never actually get around to doing it. Why? Because they're talkers. That's what they do. That's all they do. They tell you and they talk and talk and talk and talk and talk a big game, but they don't have the courage to do anything. Now you gotta ask yourself, are you that person? Now, after you figure out the answer to that, and I'm hoping the answer is no, but if it is yes, that's fine, right? Because you acknowledging that you are that person then makes you ask yourself and question yourself, why do I never do anything? As much as I know it, as much as I actually want to do it, why do I never get around to doing anything? Right? Because then I'm hoping that answer there that you come from, that you get from that, will basically tell you, do you know what, this is why, and now I can get around to doing this because I'm scared, or maybe I don't have the courage, maybe I'm just really good at planning things and I need someone else to execute, which is okay too. You find another way of getting things done, because sometimes you're not the one that's meant to execute these plans. Do you know what I mean? So that's basically what it is. Like, when it's all said and done, do you want to be the person that had it all mentally, knew it all mentally, said it all, talked the biggest game of all games, but never ever got around to doing it? And if the answer is no, then you need to figure out a way of actually getting things done, getting things started, coming from point A to point B to point C. Figure it out. If it's not you that can't do it because you're too scared, then that's fine. Maybe you have to hire someone else to execute it for you. But you did something to execute it. You did it. And then hopefully then you don't get to look back and regret that, you know what, I never actually found out, or I never tried it. We'll never know what it could have been. Why? Because you're too scared. Till next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well, Real Andrew SB. I repeat, Real Andrew SB on the socials. Let us know your comments, let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.